Get a list from Pandas DataFrame column headers. I want to get a list of the column headers from a Pandas DataFrame. The DataFrame will come from user input, so I won't know how many columns there will be or what they will be called. For example, if I'm given a DataFrame like this, I would get a list like this.
You can get the values as a list by doing. Also, you can simply use, as shown in Ed Chum's answer.
There is a built-in method which is the most performant. .columns returns an index. .columns.values returns an array, and this has a helper function .toList to return a list. If performance is not as important to you, index objects define a .toList method that you can call directly. The difference in performance is obvious. For those who hate typing, you can just call list on df, as so.
I did some quick tests, and perhaps unsurprisingly the built-in version using dataframe.columns.values.toList is the fastest. I still really like the list DataFrame though, so thanks Ed Chum.
It gets even simpler, by Pandas 0.16.0. We'll give you the column names in a nice list.
If you want to, please consider staying.